Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi and it's that time again, that time of the month to talk about my braces and how it's been going. So yeah, I just wanted to stop by real quick and give you guys an update and how everything has been going so far. I went a couple of days ago, I went and did like the whole maintenance on my braces and just got everything adjusted, and they changed the rubber bands. As you guys can see, I got black this time rubber bands. And yeah, nothing much really happened this past month, which I'm really surprised. I didn't have any loose brackets, any rubber bands coming off or anything. So this is probably like the first month that none of that happened. And as far as using wax on my teeth, I find myself like not really using it. I don't know, I probably like my mouth has gotten used to having braces inside, or I really don't know, but I don't really use the wax anymore. Now I do remember like in the first month or two I did like had to use wax like on several spots of the braces because it kind of bothered me. It rubbed against the inside of the skin of my mouth. But now, like, I feel like my mouth has gotten used to the braces and I don't really use wax anymore. I've heard people developing callus in the inside of the mouth. Maybe that's what's happening with me because I really don't feel like bothered with the braces. Yeah. But yeah, I really haven't had any issues regarding my braces, which I am really happy with, because every time, you know, little, like one of these little rubber band come off, I have to go to the orthodontist to get it put back on. Or if one of the brackets become loose and fall off, I have to go back, and it just becomes like a setback and just really annoying. So I'm really happy that none of that happened this past month, and hopefully this coming month it'll be the same. It'll just be like smooth sailing. And yeah, but so far so good. Let me get close so you guys can see so far the process or the progress. Now, one thing I do have to mention is that my orthodontist didn't really put the braces in these last molars, because I have a root canal and a crown put in those last two molars. So they didn't put braces there because it just wouldn't be like effective in putting braces there. But so you can really see, right? These two are crowns, so I don't have braces in those two teeth, so you can really see the difference. But everything else is like very nicely lined up. I feel like my teeth look really straight. Probably just these two teeth, which were the most crooked ones that I have. Those are the only ones that look like they need a little bit of work done. But all the rest of my teeth looked very well lined up so far. So yeah, so far so good. And we'll see how the next month goes. And yeah, so yeah, I just wanted to stop by and talk about the progress, how it's going. So yeah, I just wanted to stop by and talk about the progress and how things are going. I think it's really interesting to see the change in, you know, our teeth when we're wearing braces. We don't really realize it, but I guess also like my face changes, like the structure of my face or people's face change when they're using braces, because they also took a picture of my face from the front and also from the sides, just to see how my face, the structure and the features on my face are going to change, because they are definitely going to change. I mean, it is a really big change. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.